Good morning children, Shanti. Let's solve next problem. That is 8th question. Out of 15,000 voters in a constituency, 60% voted. Find the percentage of voters who did not vote. Can you now find how many actually did not vote? Children, here totally 15,000 people are there. In that 60% voted, means 40% not voted. Okay, we have to find how many members did not vote. Okay. Solution: percentage of voters who voted is equal to 60%. Percentage of voters who did not vote is equal to 100 minus 60, which gives 40. Okay, it is 40%. Then total number of voters is equal to 15,000 members they given. Then number of voters who did not vote is equal to 40% of 15,000. 40 divided by 100 into 15,000. 40% means per 100 natural percentage means 40 by 100 into 15,000. 2 zeros if you strike out, 40 into 150 will remain. 40 into 150 gives 6,000, means 6,000 people are voted. Next question. Beta says rupees 400 from her salary. If this is 10% of her salary, what is her salary? 400 rupees she saved, I think children, it is only 10%. Then what is her actual salary? We have to find. Let Mita's salary be rupees X. We don't know natural unknown number, we will consider it as X. Then 10% of X is equal to rupees 400 they give. 10% means 10 by 100 into X is equal to 400. 10 into X is 10X. This 100 transpose children, 400 into 100 will become. Then X is equal to this 10 you transpose to the right hand side. 400 into 100 divided by 10. Okay. 10 ones are 10, 10 tens are 100. 400 into 10 will remain. X is equal to 400 into 10. Then X is equal to 4,000. Therefore, Mita's salary is rupees 4,000. Next question children. A local cricket team played 20 matches in one session. It won 25% of them. Then how many matches did they win? Totally 20 matches they played children. In that 25% they won. Okay. How many matches did they win? We have to find. Solution: total number of matches a local cricket team played is equal to 20. Percentage of matches they won is equal to 25%. Therefore, number of matches they won is equal to 25% of 20. Is it children? 25% means percent means per 100. 25 by 100 into 20. 20 ones are 25s are if you strike out. 25 by 5 remain. Here 5 ones are 5 5s are if you strike out. Only 5 remain. That is a local cricket team won 5 matches. Next exercise, first question children. Tell what is the profit or loss in the following transactions. Also find profit percent or loss percent in each case. Means children, first we have to find profit or loss. If you got profit, find profit percent. If you got loss, loss percent you have to find. First question in that, gardening shares brought for rupees 250 and sold for rupees 325. Means children, it is an instrument used in gardening. It will be like a pair of scissors. Okay, the cost is rupees 250. Means you brought it for 250 and sold it for 325, you think. Means you got profit itself. Solution: given cost price is equal to 250, selling price is rupees 325. We know that profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Since selling price is greater than cost price. That is rupees 325 minus 250, which gives rupees 75. You got 75 rupees profit. Then profit percent is equal to profit by cost price into 100. Then profit is 75 children. Substitute it. Divided by cost price is 250 into 100. Here 0 strike out and 25 ones are 25 threes are. 3 into 10 remain. 3 into 10 gives 30. Profit percent is 30%. Next question children. A refrigerator brought for rupees 12,000 and sold at rupees 13,500. A refrigerator was brought for 12,000 and sold for 13,500. The given children, you have to find whether it is profit or loss. If you got profit, find profit percent. Loss means find loss percent. Given cost price is equal to rupees 12,000 and selling price is equal to rupees 13,500. We know that profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. because selling price is greater than cost price, is it? Which is equal to rupees 13,500 minus 12,000, which is equal to rupees 1,500. Profit percent is equal to profit by cost price into 100. Profit you got as 1,500, substitute here. Cost price they given as 12,000 into 100. Two zeros if you strike out. Here 1 0, this 1 0, strike out children. 150 by 12 remain. If you do division, we will get a 12.5 as quotient, which is equal to 12.5% profit. Next question children. A cupboard brought for rupees 2,500 and sold at rupees 3,000 again. Okay, solution. Given cost price is equal to rupees 2,500 and sold for rupees 3,000. Here again profit children. We know that profit is equal to selling price minus cost price because selling price is greater than cost price, which is equal to rupees 3,000 minus 2,500, which is equal to rupees 500. Therefore, profit percent is equal to profit by cost price into 100. You got profit as 500 rupees children. 500 divided by cost price is 2,500 into 100. Two zeros if you strike out. Here 25 ones are 25 twos are 50. This 0 as it is, which is equal to 20%. Next question children. A skirt brought for rupees 250 and sold at rupees 150. Here definitely loss it will be. Let us find. Given cost price is equal to rupees 250, selling price is equal to rupees 150. We know that loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. The reason is selling price is less than cost price. Okay, which is equal to rupees 250 minus 150, which is equal to rupees 100. Loss percent is equal to loss by cost price into 100. Loss is 100 children. Cost price is 250 into 100. 0 strike out. Here 25 ones are 25 fours are. 4 into 10 will remain. 4 tens are 40%. 40% loss. Next one. Convert each part of the ratio to percentage. Here they give a ratio children. We have to convert each part into percentage. We have 3:1, which is nothing but 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Okay, sum of the given ratios is 4 children. This means parts are, this is 3 by 4, this is 1 by 4 it will be. 3 by 4 means what percentage and 1 by 4 means what percentage we are going to find. 3 by 4 into 100. Per 100 we are finding the children, we are converting to percentage. Then we have to multiply into 100. 3 by 4 into 100. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 fives are 20. If you strike out children, 3 into 25 will remain. 3 into 25 is nothing but 75. Means 3 by 4 means 75%. Then 1 by 4 into 100. 4 ones are 4 twos are 8, 4 fives are 20. 1 into 25, which is nothing but 25%. Up so here 75 plus 25, which gives 100%. Then we got correct answers. If you not got 100%, here somewhere we did mistake, we have to verify it again. Okay. Let's move to the next question. 2:3:5. 2 plus 3 plus 5 is 10 children. Then 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 5 by 10 are its parts. 2 by 10 into 100, 3 by 10 into 100, 5 by 10 into 100. If you done, we will get all the percentages. Then 2 by 10 into 100, 10 ones are 10 tens are 100. 2 into 10 will remain, 2 tens are 20, 20%. 3 by 10 into 100, 10 ones are 10 tens are 100. 3 into 10, which is 30%. Here 5 by 10 into 100, 10 ones are 10 tens are 100 children. 5 into 10, which is equal to 50%. 50 plus 30 plus 20 is 100%. Next one. 1:4 they gave. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 children. Then 1 by 5 and 4 by 5 are its parts. 1 by 5 into 100. 5 ones are 5 twos are 10, 0. 1 into 20. Okay, 1 into 20 is 20%. And the next one is 4 by 5 into 100. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 0. 4 into 20 remain. 20 fours are 80. 80%. 80 plus 20 is 100%. Okay. Next one. 1:2:5 again children. 1 plus 2 plus 5 is equal to 8. Is it? Then 1 by 8 into 100, 2 by 8 into 100, 5 by 8 into 100. If you done, you will get its percentages. First one, 1 by 8 into 100. Here 4 twos are 8, 4 twos are 8, 2 will remain, 4 fives are 20. 1 into 25 divided by 2 children. 25 ones are 25 by 2 we can write. If you simplify it, we will get 12.5%. Okay. Next one, 2 by 8 into 100. Again 4 2s are 8, here 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20, 25 2s are 50 children divided by 2. Or 2 into 25 as it is if you return, 2 2 if you strike out, 25% we will get. Okay. 5 by 8 into 100. Here 4 2s are 8, here 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. 25 into 5 divided by 2. 5 into 25 by 2. 25 5s are 125 divided by 2 children. If you divide 62.5% we will get. Add all the percentages what you got, definitely 100% we will get. Thank you.